What's up YouTube, how you doing? This is Mr. Tybox123, and in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison of the video quality between the Galaxy Nexus and the iPhone 4S. So just a short while ago did a sample video on the Galaxy Nexus, and then I thought it's probably better to actually have something to actually compare it to. So what I've got here is I've literally got both the phones just in one hand here, and I'm literally just panning them around my desk. Now it's just a normal lighting situation in this room. There's just standard indoor lights. It's completely pitch black outside, so no extra lights coming in at all, and I'm literally just moving the cameras around, holding them both in the same hand to try and capture the same kind of video. So we'll just go quite close into something here. Now the cameras are slightly in a different place to one another because I'm holding them kind of lopsided, but hopefully this will give us some idea of the actual video quality difference between the Galaxy Nexus and the iPhone 4S. Anyway guys, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya!